Hello guys. Welcome back to our channel, WhatVwant, a technology vlog, for how-to videos, tips, reviews, and much more. Do you want to save web page as PDF? Then this tutorial is for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you 6 best free online tools to convert web page to PDF. Without any delay, let's start the process. Number 1. Sejda. Sejda is the best online tool to convert any PDF file to other formats and vice versa effortlessly. It can also convert HTML and URL to PDF. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using Sejda. Visit Sejda HTML to PDF Converter official page. Check the description for the link. Select Convert URL to PDF tab. Copy and paste the web page link in the box. Tap on More Options. You will find different options like page size, orientation, margin, and many more. Edit those options if you want. Now, click on Convert HTML to PDF option. You will redirect to download page. Finally, click on Download option to save it on your device. You can also share and print the PDF file directly by selecting their respective options. That's it. Number 2. SodaPDF. SodaPDF is the best one with the best PDF applications used to view, edit, merge, split, convert PDF file easily. It also helps you to convert HTML files or web pages into files online and in one click. It's very easy to use and available at free of cost. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using SodaPDF. Open the SodaPDF HTML to PDF Converter official site. Check the description for the link. Enter the URL of the web page in the box, and click on Get PDF option. You will redirect to new interface. Click on Preview option to check the file once. Click on Download option to save it on your device. That's it. Number 3. Cloudconvert. Cloudconvert is also an amazing converter tool to convert images, files, videos, spreadsheets, audio, and many more. You can also convert web page to PDF easily without any cost. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using Cloudconvert. Visit Cloudconvert Save Web Page as PDF official page. Check the description for the link. Copy and paste the web page link in the box. Edit the options according to your desire. And click on Add URL. You will redirect to new interface. Click on Capture Website option. Within few minutes the PDF file will be displayed on the screen. Check it once and click on Download option. That's it. Number 4. WebtoPDF Converter. WebtoPDF Converter is the best online tool to convert entire web page to PDF easily. It completes your task within seconds in 3 simple steps. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using WebtoPDF Converter. Go to WebtoPDF Converter official page. Check the description for the link. Once the WebtoPDF Converter page is opened, enter the web page link that you want to convert to PDF. Click on the Convert button or else press Enter on your keyboard. Once the conversion process is completed, Download option will appear on the screen. Finally, click on Download the converted file option. That's it. Number 5. WebtoPDF. WebtoPDF is another amazing converter tool. It converts the web page to PDF with an ease. It also helps you to add watermark, header, footer, page numbers, and many more. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using WebtoPDF. Open the WebtoPDF official page. Check the description for the link. Enter the web page link in the box. Click on Options to change the page settings, conversion settings, watermark, header and footer of the web page. Click on Convert option. Wait until the conversion process is completed. Once the process is completed, you will redirect to download page. Finally, click on Download icon. That's it. Number 6. PDFCrowd. PDFCrowd is also one of the best online tool to convert web page to PDF. It is very simple and fastest tool which is available at free of cost. Let's see how to convert web page to PDF using PDFCrowd. Visit PDFCrowd official page. Check the description for the link. Choose the Convert Web Page option. Paste or enter the web page link in the Enter a Web Page to Convert box. Click on Show options to change any settings according to your desire. Now click on Convert option. Once the completion of conversion process, A prompt will appear on the screen with download and open options. Click on Open option to preview the file. Click on Download option to save it on your device. That's it. For more information, visit our article. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if it is helpful for you. Leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for more interesting videos. Click on the bell icon to turn on notification.